And ito sa little shop. This is my tools.
Ang unboxing.
We're going to unboxing this big box. I hope because it got a label that shows a pink bicycle.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
May electric fan abot kayo?
Oh! Sorry!
Oh, help me.
But
Your
I
message.
don't have a scissor.
Oh, hilahin mo to. Ikaw mag-hila.
Okay.
This is your job. Okay?
My God!
Tandaan lang yun. Tandaan lang yun. Oh, help me.
Oh my God!
Oh, careful ha. Baka mara tayo.
Sorry! Stop that!
Wow! Bakit mali yan?
This is the handle.
Sige, isa na.
Let's see! Woo!
Ay, hindi ano pala. Okay.
Oh!
Wow,
I
ang
see!
ganda!
I see! So
Wow, look at that!
Da, 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 da.
What is this?
Wow!
Some wheels!
Ha?
Wow, look at that! Ooh! We got a new
This thing is
bicycle.
very nice.
I know.
Okay. Oh, meron na. May...
Wow! My basket! I like it. My basket.
Oh, very big one muna. This is, I think, the last.
Ganda yung seat, oh.
Oh, maganda.
Ganda.
But we don't need the stabilizer anymore.
Yeah. But this is the
You
wheel.
like our new bike? Color pink?
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is the stop. This is the stabilizer. I don't like the stabilizer.
Look guys, we are doing unboxing. Okay lang to na tuloy-tuloy?
Your handle.
Sana na lang. Oh, ay, grabe. Ito, ito.
I see. So you can. Woohoo! You can ride your bike. Woohoo! Big. This is the stabilizers, but I don't need them.
You have to be careful with your hands.
Construction! But it's all red! Wala pink. Where's my red bike? And yellow. Ay! Sakit!
Yan, tapos. Bike installation. First,
Take a while.
unscrew the training wheels. Unscrew the
But it doesn't move.
install the axle wheels back in.
manual, andun, di ba? Jewel, alis ka dyan. Doon ka lang sa other, ano.
Ay, ito.
This.
Parang pang...
Why telling Daddy to look at me? Daddy, look at me, please. Look at me, please.
Bakit there?
Look at me, please.
Mababa lang. Yan, pinakamababa lang. Jewel, can you stand up here? Ay, sit down nga dito. Tignan mo nga.
Bye.
Abot niya. Abot ba ng ano mo? Ng shoes mo? Ay, ng feet mo? Abot ng feet mo? Okay, good, good, good. Baba na, baba na, baba na.
Yeah,
Abot ng feet mo, sure ka.
how about the handle? How about the handle? What are you doing? I'm coming too. I'm coming.
Hindi pa yan nakalak.
Hey, stop.
Bakit gumagalaw? Ganyan ba talaga yung gumagalaw?
Ganyan lang ulan eh. Kasali mo level ito. Ayun.
Bell.
Hindi ako level mo. Sa likod ko eh. Kasali. Oh, ayun yun. Hindi.
Ah, but we didn't open it yet.
Ako na nga yung gunting dyan.
Hindi ba saan?
Huwag mo na, huwag mo na. Ganito na. Hindi pa nga tapos eh.
Help Daddy first.
Okay.
Gosh, you have to help the mechanicals. Hindi, syempre dito, patayo.
Ganyan.
Ano ba itsura? Patingin niya ng itsura ng ano, bike.
Hindi.
Isa, meron mo na dyan.
No, no, no. Why not?
Hindi. Wala namang ganyan na mahaba sa picture. Saan naman kaya galing yun?
Give me that. Thank you. Can you give me a water, assistant? Thank you. Water. It's not mine, it's yours.
Get the water in my tub. Ah, the water dito. Ay, there. There's a water in the table.
How do you
Dito ka,
get
dito ka.
the wheel?
The bicycle.
For one day.
Oh, yan, naka-ano na yan, oh.
How is it good for one day?
It's not TV din for one day.
Ah.
Is that your bed? Is that your bed, Baba?
TV.
Jewel, I'm doing the video now. Say hi, guys. Our bicycle is almost done.
Hi guys, ayan no. Si Daddy, our bike is almost done. Wow! It's only wheels and tires. Ito yung wheels and tires, ayan. Ito yung pedals andyan sa other side. Si Daddy, say hello, Daddy.
Pagod na.
Pagod na si Daddy. Ito yung seat is just pink. What?
Ay, nakikita na yung ano. Ayan, guys. Malapit na matapos yung bicycle ni Jewel. Tomorrow, she's gonna do it.
No! Now! I'm not hungry.
Mamaya, Daddy.
I'm not hungry. I'm hungry. Okay. Hot dog.
Dito muna kay Daddy.
How about the hot dog? Hot dog. Whoa, so cold. So hard to buy.
Kape ka ba?
Galing mo!
Thousand years later.
Malapit na. Okay. Ano na lang. Tawag dito? Ano lang. Dito ko talaga. Dito, dahil sila mag-ano. Picture mo kami doon, pag-ano, parang
Wait, I know.
pahalang. Actually,
Jewel, picture na muna. Para ano na. O, dali na ha. Jewel, dali. Doon ka sa tabi ni Daddy para makita yung bike. Doon ka sa tabi ni Daddy.
Upo dito.
Hindi naman makita sa video ang bike. Yan, dyan ka with Daddy. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay. Trap mo na.
Can I ride the bike? Can I ride the bike first and then we go to change for that?
Ay, po. Okay yan, pagsabi kayo sa sa green park tomorrow. May pasok.
1, 2, 3.
Lang, pwede.
1, 2, 3. Try lang. Normal. Oh, syempre with mommy also. Ano yan? Wala na naman si mama.
Okay na, Jewel? Sige, hawak mo. Alay, gawa ko bike namin. Jewel!
Yay! She got a new bicycle! Yay!
Big one, the big one. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Jewel! Basket!
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye, guys! See you!